Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your Royal Caribbean experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful Serenade of the Seas. Now this particular category is a junior suite. It's a nice upgrade where you get quite a bit more space and some upgraded amenities. We're going to show you the entire space in just a minute. Now keep in mind, when you're ready to book your next room or suite with Royal Caribbean, Celebrity Cruises, or Silversea, make sure you do it right on HarrTravel.com. You can take advantage of the interactive deck plans to pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, family, or group, and get that Harr Travel signature service every step of the way. Now let's check out this beautiful suite. Now, as soon as you walk in to the right-hand side here, you're gonna have a walk-in closet. Now, it's a huge space here. You've got shelves up and down. You're gonna have hanging storage all the way around. These pull down for more storage. And then you're gonna have those bathrobes because you're in a junior suite. A really nice upgrade amenity. Now, directly across, you're gonna find the bathroom. So it's a pretty large bathroom for a room this size. You've got storage in the mirrors here. You've got a single vanity there, nice and large, a little bit of storage underneath. Toilet tucked around the corner, and then you're gonna have a shower tub combo. Now, I've traveled a lot with my family. I love the fact that you're gonna have a bathtub, whether you like a bubble bath or you're throwing the kids in. It's a perfect option for so many different combinations. Now, as we head into the main part of the room, you can see a ton of space in here. That's one of the signatures. It's about double the size of a standard balcony. You're gonna have a large royal king size bed here. That does separate apart if you want two twin size beds. In that case, the nightstands, which have drawers for storage, would go to the middle, and then you can still tuck your bags underneath. You're gonna have reading lamps on either side, and then directly across, you've got a writing desk here. It's got a backlit mirror, so you can use it as a vanity and a writing desk. You've got a couple US plugs and a Euro plug. I always bring an extra European converter, so I can use every single plug in the room. And I also bring a battery backup. There's not plugs right next to the bed, so I bring that battery backup. I can charge it during the day, and I can use it to charge my devices in the evening. Now you've got storage up and down here, your mini fridge tucked just in the corner, quite a bit more storage underneath here and underneath the TV and above. You're gonna find just in here, you've got a little bit more storage as well, and then the safes just on the other side. Now right here, you've got your Lavazza coffee maker. I love that upgraded amenity. I start my day every day at home with an Italian coffee. I love that I can do it here on the ship as well. Now, as I head through, you've got quite a bit more space right here. You've got your couch over there. In some rooms, that does fold out into a bed so that you can have more than two passengers. You can see that on those interactive deck plans on HarrTravel.com. You've got your coffee table right there. And then you've got a nice reading chair with an ottoman, and then also a nice side table here. Now, I wanted to point out that this is a connecting room. It connects to another junior suite, and when we were traveling when my daughter was little, it was so nice to have that connection there. My parents would oftentimes take her so that we could head out and have a great evening, and then she had the ability to go back and forth and play with all of us. Now let's head out to the balcony. Now, just like inside the room, there's quite a bit more space out here as well because it's the junior suite. You've got a lounger over here in the corner. Once again, there's about double the space, or maybe even more than a balcony. And then on the other side, you're gonna have a table and two chairs where you can take advantage of that 24-hour room service menu. But what this is all about is what people love about cruising. You've got those incredible ocean views. You're gonna have that fresh ocean air that's coming in. You can sit here, have a cup of coffee in the morning or a cocktail in the evening, watch the world sail by, and just have an amazing vacation. Now, when you're ready to book this junior suite or any room or suite with Royal Caribbean, Celebrity Cruises, or Silversea, make sure you do it right on HarrTravel.com. You can take advantage of the interactive deck plans, and you can book that perfect room or suite for you, your friends, family, or group, and get that Harr Travel signature service and value every step of the way.